families and friends, welcome and thank you for stopping by. In this episode I'm going to make our favourite dish in Samoa, which is Faiai Eleni, and that is tin of fish with coconut cream and onion. Back in the islands we will cook this in omu, but that's our recipe for tonight. Let's start cooking. First of all, I'm going to cut my onion very fine. Next one, we will add our tin of fish. So I'll drain the juice that's in the tin of fish. I can add it a bit later. I like to have heaps of fish in my faiai. I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of pepper, black pepper, and coconut cream. I use some kara, a mixture of kara and the coconut cream from my local supermarket. I am adding about, so that's 1 cup, 2 cups coconut cream, and a full tin of my 1.5 can. So this is optional, you don't have to add that, but I like adding some green chillies or red chillies. So I add this to my faiai. So I'll put it in my own shell, not the whole bowl, because some members of the family would like a plain faiai, not with my extra bits and pieces I add. It's all about flavouring for me. At this stage I will give it a taste, make sure it's enough salt. I will add more salt. So these won't sit okay. I mean, some will, but then the rest don't sit well in the tray. So I'm just going to make some foil rings for our shells to sit on, so it sits well in the baking tray. For us to dish our faiai in our shells. As you can see inside, there's still a little bit left of the coconut. These are the fresh ones I scraped yesterday, and so I just wash it again, but I don't mind having it there because it gives it more flavour to our faiai. Some left over, I'll prepare the other tins, but I'll put these in the oven and I will cook it in the oven. I'll try it with 30 minutes first. The coconut cream will start to thicken up, and then I'll give it a taste. I like to have a very, very thick consistency for the faiai, where you can just dish up a little bit with a piece of taro instead of a running type, which is why I use coconut, the kara. But let's see how it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, this is our final dish, our tin of fish with coconut cream, roasted in these coconut shells, and we call it Faiai Eleni. Tonight I'm having it with yam. Let's give it a taste. See, it's nice and thick. It sits like a chili in the coconut shell. It's not too bad in the oven. Sometimes I like to have my one with lime. I don't know, I'm weird when it comes to but I enjoy having, you know, coconut cream and lime or lemon. So that's what it looks like inside. It's beautiful. To me, it's beautiful with lime. I like that tangy taste with coconut cream. So there it is, one of Samoan's favourite dish, or Samoan's delicacy, Faiai Eleni. Thank you for watching this episode, and thank you for cooking with me and tuning in. Take care, be safe, we will meet again in the next episode. Thanks for watching, bye.